All of us wish to have a great smile and pearl white shiny teeth that would sparkle in the sunlight. But daily, we face quiet enemies that subvert our attempts to keep our teeth sparkling clean and white. Foods and beverages cause stains on our teeth by sticking to the protective layer of protein that coat our tooth enamel, to prevent damage to the enamel layer. Apart from the temperature of the drinks we consume, this causes structural changes over a long period of time. Stains are an almost instant result whenever we consume food and fruits. Fruits and drinks readily affect our teeth. These include berries, curries, red wine, colored soda drinks, and soy sauce, which easily stain our tooth enamel, leaving behind yellowish coatings. Contact with carrot juice, for example, will stain your teeth slightly yellowish. Sticky foods also adhere more easily to tooth enamel. These cause a layer of stain over the top of your tooth, and allow other foods and drinks to stick to this layer that is formed. While it is easy to go to the dentist and request a home-based bleaching program that you can follow at home, dental treatments are costly, whereas over-the-counter treatments generally are way cheaper. Most whitening methods work well on teeth which have yellowed, and some whitening can be done if teeth are brownish or grayish. A visit to the pharmacy will allow you to explore a variety of dental remedies that you can carry out in the comfort of your home. These will include the application of bleaching strips, or bleaching gels, and are much cheaper than a dental treatment. While I appreciate that these bleaching agents do work, have you ever noticed how Indians have sparkling clean teeth with corresponding smiles? They have one secret, and that is their traditional habit of chewing the betel nut and leaves with an assortment of special spices. We now understand that many teeth whitening processes involve rubbing your teeth with abrasive materials, but you want to avoid rubbing them too much, because if you rub off the top layer of your teeth, the tooth enamel, your dentine layer will be exposed. Thus, when my Indian friends chew the betel nut and the leaves, these materials rub against the teeth, and whitens them in the process. For the person who is contemplating the application of a bleaching agent, it may perhaps be good to explore options from the bottom upwards. By this, you can try some home remedies. Most of these home remedies can help in the short term, using ingredients you have at home, such as baking soda, vinegar, lemon juice, and salt. Use caution, and a soft bristle brush with homemade teeth whitening attempts. After a few days of these gentle home remedies, you will find pleasing comments from your friends who will see the difference and the whitening effect of these home remedies on your teeth in your effort to whiten them. If you are not satisfied with the results of your home remedies or your home bleaching program, then you will need to seek dental treatment. If you like this video, please press the like button, and subscribe, so you won't miss any videos when they are released.